Being in a war zone. Dreams of being in a war zone often reflect internal or external conflicts, stress, and a feeling of being threatened. Discovering a hidden room. Finding a hidden room usually symbolizes discovering new aspects of yourself or untapped potential. Encountering a snake. Snakes in dreams often represent hidden fears, transformation, or sexual energy. Receiving a promotion. Dreaming of a promotion often signifies recognition, self-worth, and your desire for advancement and success. Seeing a ghost. A ghost in a dream can symbolize unresolved issues from the past, guilt, or a need for closure. Experiencing an earthquake. Earthquake dreams usually reflect feelings of instability, upheaval, or a major change in your life. Finding yourself in a different time period. Time travel dreams often signify a desire to escape current situations or explore different life paths. Visiting an exotic location. Dreaming of traveling to an exotic place often symbolizes a desire for adventure, new experiences, and expanding your horizons. Seeing yourself in a mirror. Looking in a mirror in a dream usually represents self-reflection, identity, and how you perceive yourself. Walking barefoot. Walking barefoot can symbolize vulnerability, grounding, or a need to connect with the basics of life. Finding an abandoned building. Discovering an abandoned place often reflects neglected aspects of your psyche or past experiences that still influence you. Being a superhero. Dreaming of being a superhero often signifies a desire for power, control, or the ability to overcome obstacles. Riding a roller coaster. Roller coaster dreams typically represent the ups and downs of life, excitement, and sometimes fear of losing control. Attending a funeral. A funeral in a dream often signifies the end of something, such as a phase, relationship, or habit, and the process of letting go. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more, like, comment, and share to your friends. See you in next videos.